Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution is a program developed by Dr. John McDougall. It is a starch-centered diet and it's whole food, plant-based, no oil. If you're interested in learning more about the Starch Solution, I will leave a link to Dr. John McDougall's book, The Starch Solution, in the description box below. On my channel, you will find whole food, plant-based recipes, no oil, gluten-free. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you'd like a little bit more support, I have started a Facebook group. This Facebook group is a safe place where we can talk about our struggles, our wins, get support, inspiration, share recipes. So if you'd like to join, there'll be a link in the description below. For today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to use my absolutely delicious low-fat Alfredo sauce. This sauce has absolutely no nuts in it. It uses cauliflower as the main ingredient. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have half of a large onion sauteing in some water. So we're gonna let this get going for a couple of minutes. We're gonna add in about 4 cloves of garlic. And I use the cheater garlic from the grocery store. Keep sauteing until the onions are soft and add water as needed. So we're gonna add those sauté onions to the Vitamix here. Now I've already steamed up a head of cauliflower, so I'm going to add that to this as well. And I just sauteed it till it was nice and soft. I'm going to add a half a cup of broth, vegetable broth, 1 cup of soy milk, about a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, the juice of half a lemon. For a little extra flavor, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to blend this, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you how to use this sauce 3 different ways. So I've already made my fettuccine noodles. These are gluten-free. One thing I forgot to mention, I forgot to add in, but I did it while I was mixing, is you need a cup of the pasta water to add to the mix as well. So this makes quite a lot. So we're going to pour a little bit on our fettuccine. And then I like to add a little bit of steamed broccoli on here. And then I also like to garnish with a little cracked pepper and a little bit of red pepper flakes, just for a little bit of heat. And that is it. This is our first recipe, low-fat Alfredo sauce, Fettuccine Alfredo, and with a little bit of broccoli, and I just mix it all in. And now for the other 2 recipes. The second use for this Alfredo sauce is on a baked potato, which is so yummy. So you just take a pre-baked potato. I always have a ton of these in my refrigerator. Just heated it up in the microwave. And then I'm gonna add, of course, I'm gonna put some broccoli inside and on the side, because I do love my broccoli. And it's so good for you. Just pour your sauce. And you can be super generous because it is low fat. And then again, I love to put some cracked pepper. And a little bit of the red pepper flakes. But you could season this however you would like. If you want to put hot sauce on it, that's fine too, whatever spices that you would like. So this is a second dish that you can make. Super easy, healthy, delicious, and satisfying. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Okay, recipe number 3. This is a pizza. and it's going to be like a white garlic sauce pizza, but we're using our Alfredo sauce. And I'm using a brown rice tortilla because I do have celiac, so I can't have gluten, but you can use whatever kind of pizza crust you would like. So I'm just gonna spoon on some of this Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna be fairly generous, especially if you're using gluten-free. A lot of times they're kind of dry. If you are gluten-free, you may want to add a little bit more. Then on top of the sauce, I like to put some Italian seasonings. And then I just add on my toppings. I'm gonna be using some red bell pepper. And again, this is totally customizable. You do whatever you would like to do as far as your veggies go. I just like to use different colors. Then I've got some red onion. Then I've got some chopped up cremini mushrooms. And to top it off, I'm gonna use some spring mix, and I just chop this. I used my little herb cutters to make them finely chopped. And you can put as much or as little of that on as you like. I just like to add greens wherever I can to boost up the nutrition. And then we're just gonna bake this in a 450-degree oven for about 10 minutes. So I'll see you in 10. So those are my 3 recipes for today. As you can see, my kitchen's a disaster, but it was well worth it. So let's go over them one more time. I've got the standard Fettuccine Alfredo with some broccoli. Then we use that same sauce to put over a baked potato with some broccoli as well. And the final was this delicious Alfredo pizza with some mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, and some spring mix. So this came out wonderful. So I hope this gives you some ideas of meals you can make. Keep it simple. These are all super healthy and took no time at all. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Also, if you like my t-shirt, I have a line of t-shirts at my Etsy store. The link is in the description box, and these are kind of fun to wear around. Show everybody that you're plant-based. And just another reminder, I do have my Facebook group going right now, so love for you to join our little family there. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. This Facebook group is a safe place. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. If you are gluten-free, you might not. So that's it for my 3 recipes today using 1 recipe. Oh my God, that light